Meaning of goosebumps.
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 Goosebumps. Goosebumps refers to the condition of having raised bumps on one's skin as a reaction to fear, excitement, or cold. This happens when the tiny muscles at the base of each hair follicle contract, making the hairs stand up and causing the skin to pucker. The term goosebumps comes from the resemblance of the skin to the bumpy flesh of a plucked goose. The sensation is often associated with creepy or thrilling experiences. It is a physical response to emotional stimulation and can be accompanied by feelings of exhilaration or apprehension.